Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar. It's time to do the recap. How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Happy Monday to you. Yeah, let's go over. Let's dive right in. So today, obviously, you can see we had a red day. Primarily, that was because of this opening 3-minute opening trade, which is like a mechanical entry type of trade. Today was one of those days where every bone in my body did not want to take this setup. It triggered a long right up here at the double top. I did not want to take it, but this is where I'm trying not to predict the future for this trade. This trade is purely a mechanical entry, and I have confidence in it because of my back testing data that I have. And once I start to predict the outcomes of the trade, this morning, I wouldn't have taken the trade, which would have been, really good. Wouldn't have taken a $200 loss. But, the next day, I'm going to try to do it again. And then we would have made new highs and it would have turned into a $500 profit day. And it just messes up all those back testing results once I start to predict the results. So that's why we're just focusing on following the entries, following the rules, and we're in the forward testing stage of this strategy. I want to do it for like 2 months, and if we do it for 2 months and the results are bad, then we can scrap it or we can revise it. But right now we're just trying to follow the rules. So we started off the day with a $200 loss, and we retested these highs and pulled back, made new lows. I didn't trade the best today. I really didn't. I'm not sure why. I wasn't seeing the market that well. I was very skittish. I thought we would see a big rip higher, so I wasn't really trusting the short entries. Obviously, right here was a short entry for me. I didn't take it. I did finally take this trade on this short entry, but I kind of got scared. I usually look to have a runner, and I just took my profit, both of these right here. Obviously, my runner would have worked out really well. So then right here, this trade here was actually me chasing a breakout. And one of the rules I hate chasing breakouts, and it's one of my very bad habits that I start doing when I get impatient. I start to chase the breakouts, and yeah, I recognized when I did it this morning, and I basically just cut the trade. I just cut it off, and obviously of course, it would have worked out really well, but I'm not upset for cutting the trade. It was not. I don't like when I trade that way, so I think it was still the right thing. I just cut it, moved on, and then we had a big bounce here, and now we're just going sideways. That's when I decided, you know what? Let's just cut it. Let's just end the day and move on. We'll be back in the morning. About what is it? $140, $150 red day. It's not terrible. It's also not great, obviously, but the main game plan is to survive, to trade another day. And when things aren't looking well, when I'm not seeing the market that great, then it's usually the best bet is to walk away. And tomorrow is always another day. So I am literally going to shut down my charts, walk away, and we'll be back in the morning. So take care. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and God bless.